Welcome to AI Emaily. This is the onboarding video of AI Emaily, and we'll show you how you can use AI Emaily in best possible ways for your inbox. So first of all, this is the dashboard that you can look into, and under the dashboard you will have unread mails, starred, agent drafted, and awaiting for your approval. Also, we have an option for review. Maybe you have received hundreds of email, but only 5 of them matters. Only those email will be shown here. So let's go ahead. Under the settings, you have the mailbox where you will connect your own email box. You can click on Connect Mailbox, and under here you will have SMTP, IMAP, Google, and Outlook options. So in here, you will connect your mailbox, then test the connection and connect your mailbox here. So while you connect your email inbox, it will take maybe in half an hour or something like that to sync all of your current email from your inbox. Then let's go ahead, AI Voice. Under the AI Voice, you will have options to write your own voice and control a few of the things like your voice, creativity level, reply length, and so on. Also, make sure you turn it on so that it can write in your own inbox. Then we have Inbox Rule Set, where the magic happen. We can control your inbox with your rule set and brand. So inside the rule set, you can create new rule set by creating new rule set, and you can type in plain English like send all messages from Amazon to maybe updates. So those emails might not be important to you. So if you hit on save, then it say Amazon to update. Sender domain is amazon.com, moved to updates. And you can save it, and every message get from amazon.com will be moved to your update inbox, not the main primary inbox. Also, we have some preset that you can check and turn it on. Maybe finance and banking, you can see what message and how it work. You can enable it and it will turn it on. Also, we have important rule set where we have read your inbox, and then we prioritize what are the email is actually important and what are the email is not important to you. So those email will not hit in your inbox. Then we have the spam filter and we whitelist it, and then all the email you get, we filter whatever email is spam, then move to the spam. Then we have one more control. As a businessman, you might already receiving a lot of cold emails, and that might not matters to you. So you can simply turn it on to not receiving cold email in your main inbox, and it will be under the spam or cold email filters. And we have some other filters as well for preventing cold emails that you can turn it on. Then we have context and variable, where you can add your personal context. Maybe you can add your company context. Company. Maybe you have different companies and you can upload files or add the context here, so you can save it here. And then you have global variable, like maybe you have different links or different content that you want to reuse every time. So let's say, for example, you have a calendar. And while you type the curly braces and type calendar, then it will replace with your set URL here or the content you have added. So let's add it. Then go ahead and we have the client profile. Let's say you have a client called Alex. So Alex, client, and if you have already a context for Alex, you can add it here. If you don't, no worries. You can add the here, and also you have the variables and other things as well. So let's save it. And then we have the option for autopilot, copilot, and manual mode. While you click on manual mode, no AI action will happen. While you are on copilot mode, you can see when you receive emails, it will already summarized for you. So you can read the summary, whatever the email you received. Then we have autopilot and review. Under the autopilot and review, while you received an email in your inbox, those email automatically draft a reply for you, and you can just go ahead and check those replies. If you want to edit it, you can edit it and then send it. Then we have autopilot and auto send. This is the important thing. While you receive an email from a particular person or company or whatever you set for, those emails get replied automatically. So you need to select it. Then under the scope roles, you need to set the roles. So we have already set a roles, or we can set one more, or we can just take this one. So we have set Alex email and we have set all conditions. And if the sender email contract contain Alex email, then this authority get automatically replied. So you need to turn it on to automatically get replied, and you need to set the delay. What will be the delay time to reply the email? You can set the voice here. You can set the instruction here. Also, we have some more input field here that you can set. And we have some pre-built templates that you can use for autopilot. Well, so there are a few more things that you can show from the inbox rule set. So if you click on new rule set, then we have a lot of condition system that you can use. Also, as we have already shown, you can use the plain English as well. Then, under actions, we have lots of action to do. You can move to tab, move to folder, you can have AI tag, you can have AI label or add label, you can have archive, move to spam, and so on that you can check. Then we have labels. If you have any custom labels, you can add here, or you can delete any of them, you can delete it here. Then we have the team, where you have the team options. If you have a team feature, then you can create new team, and under the new team, you can share different inboxes. Then we have the notifications, then we have the channel. You can connect your select channel, and you can set a time when you want to get the updates. If you add 8 a.m., then the important email would be gal get summarized for you and sent to your Slack channel. Also, we have signature and templates that you can add or reuse those things. And under the mailbox, we need to show you one more thing, like if you click on here, then we'll have signatures. So if you already add a signature, you can select it here. Then if you add client profile, you have selected from here, and you can add the contacts profile from here. And then under the contacts folder, you can set whatever contacts you want to set for this particular email. Then you can save it. And while you're drafting replies from inbox, then it will consider all those things to reply your emails. So this is a Slack, and we don't need to reply it actually. So that's basically core things that you need to follow while you are starting using our AI email. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.